Bye-bye ceiling. Oh.
Alright, hold on. Hold on to your butt.
We're not going to sleep yet.
That's a beam, sorts.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
What does it mean?
It's either good or bad. I'm not sure.
I'm not hoping anything.
Yeah, it's not anything. Probably a beam right here too.
Yeah, it should be 24 inches. Looks like somebody poinked the ceiling.
Look like a ninja.
Because of my...
Like from Mortal Kombat with the mask and the hat thing on. I think it's like a drinking ninja.
Drinking black. Drinky black.
Drinky.
This is...
Hold on.
Daddy. Look at all the drill marks on the door.